G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here, Partner Manager and Product Evangelist at Valo, and today we are going to take a look at Valo Teamwork and in particular the naming policy support and also the ability for administrators to enable terms and conditions at a template level. So let's dive in and have a look. You can see here that I'm on the Valo Teamwork admin site and I'm going to select this templates tab here. And I've already got a project template that is ready to go, but we're going to edit this template. And you can see here that I've got some options around naming policies and terms and conditions. So let's expand naming policies. Now, because this is a project team, I want every single team that is a project to be prefixed with PROJ so that I can have a consistent naming convention here. So you can see that I've added that into the prefix box. I can also include a suffix as well, and I could also add a comma separated list of banned words. If we keep scrolling down here, we can also do a naming policy for the site address URL. Now I'm just going to leave that blank for now. And we can also see that I've got the ability to enable terms and conditions at this template level. And let's just leave the text as my terms, and we are now going to save that. So now that that's in place, let's go through the process of ordering or starting a new project. So I'm going to jump into the Teamwork dashboard here, and I'm going to commence the provisioning or the creation of this new project. So let's give this project a title, and you'll notice here that the prefix has kicked in, and the title or the group naming will be will follow that naming convention or the prefix that I set at the template level. We've got PROJ dash and then the title of the project. Now, if we keep scrolling down here, you'll also see that I need to accept these terms and conditions before we can proceed. And when I click on terms and conditions, I can read that and I can accept those terms and conditions there. We can then go ahead and continue and create our new project team. So there we have it, Valo Teamwork with the naming policy support and also the ability to enable terms and conditions at a template level. So I hope that brings you some value. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.